Cabbage water may sound like a very unusual beverage to consume, but surprisingly, it can be one of the healthiest drinks you can add in your diet. This simple vegetable has many incredible medicinal properties. It is loaded with polyphenols, rich in calcium, magnesium, iron, potassium, iodine, as well as essential vitamins and folic acid. Today, we will share why cabbage water is so much beneficial for your health, and how to make it. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for instant update. There will be many more videos to come for your help. Why you should drink cabbage water every day. For alcohol detox. Consuming too much alcohol can interfere with the digestive system, because alcohol destroys a large amount of good bacteria in the gut. And it can give you horrible experience like an upset stomach, acid reflux, or anything worse. Drinking 1 glass of cabbage water in the morning on an empty stomach can help you to cleanse the digestive system and detoxifying your body. Brighten the skin. Cabbage water can be used in beauty treatments to improve your skin complexion. The antioxidants in cabbage help to fight harmful free radicals and clear up skin problems like acne, blackheads, and skin pigmentation. It also reduces skin dryness and prevents premature aging. Get stronger hair. The high sulfur content of cabbage water is very effective for making weak hair stronger, and even preventing hair loss. Just drink a glass of cabbage water each morning, and include it in your hair mask for better result. Treat stomach ulcers. Being rich in phytonutrients, cabbage water can treat stomach ulcers faster than usual time. According to nutritionists, cabbage works by helping strengthen the stomach lining resistance to acid attacks. A research conducted on 45 individuals at California found that 93% of the ulcers healed after taking cabbage water concentrate for just 3 weeks. Boost your overall health with a glass of cabbage water every day. Cabbage water recipe. Take 3 cups of chopped green cabbage and 2 cups of water. Boil the water for 30 minutes to remove chlorine and other additives. Now blend the chopped cabbage in the water until it is green tinted. Pour the mixture into a 1-liter jar and tightly seal. Allow the mixture to sit undisturbed at room temperature for 3 days. Then strain the pulpy liquid into a second jar. Refrigerate your cabbage water and consume as you need. Or, you can just add fresh cabbage leaves into your morning smoothies.